again. My name is Russell Smith, and I'm the Technology Facilitator for Carpenter Elementary School as well as Fuquay-Varina High School in Wake County. And today I wanted to show you a neat way that you can create a really cool visual representation of all the links that you use for your classroom or your department or your media center or wherever you happen to be on campus. This website has been around for a while, but I still think it's pretty cool enough. I just wanted to show you how it works. The website is called Symbaloo. That's www.symbaloo.com, Symbaloo.com. And you do have to create an account. It is free. So I'm going to go ahead and create my free account by clicking up here on the top. Now you can register with Facebook or with Google+. Agree to their terms and conditions. And I create my account. Once you have created your Symbaloo account and confirmed it in your email, you'll be led to this opening screen here. This is your home screen. If you click on a tile, what happens is it will lead you to that particular website. So for example, if I clicked on the Amazon tile, it opens up a separate tab and it leads you direct to that site. Same thing for Wikipedia or CNN. How do you create new tabs? That's what you want to do. You want to create a tab for your own resources for your classroom. This is where you click the plus button. This is going to be my classroom websites tab. And you click add. Now, as you can see, this creates a brand new blank board for you to create your tabs. To create a tile, all you have to do is click a tile, create a title. In this case, I want to call it, let's call it Carpenter Elementary School. You can add the address to your website, so I'm going to paste that in, determine if it's a website or a news source or radio station, or if it's embedded. In this case, it is a website. You can choose the color. You can choose whether you want to show text on the tile at the bottom of the tile, and you can create an icon or image from the tile. So let's say I want to upload an image, then upload. Then I can use my selection box. Choose the area of the image that will be used. Click use selection to tile, and save. So there's my link to Carpenter Elementary School. I can do the same for Fuquay-Varina High School by clicking the plus on the blank tile. Create a tile, copy the address, paste it into the address bar here, show text, choose a color, upload an image. In fact, I'm going to choose that icon. Upload. My selection and save my image. So there's my tile for my Symbaloo. So creating a tile is as simple as that, and what you can do is you can reorganize the tiles very simply by dragging and dropping the tiles into whatever blank space you want. So you can reorganize them, categorize them, however you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the recording. It's the magic of editing. I'm going to create a number of different Symbaloo tiles for different links that you might use in the classroom, and to show you what else you could do to organize your links after you created them. So I'm going to pause and be back with you in just a moment. Okay, as you can see, through the magic of editing, I have created a number of different links on this new Classroom Symbaloo tab. And as I mentioned before, you can very easily move them around, such as this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the tiles around and group them in different categories like this. So what I did is I made the different colors for different subjects from different teachers. So I'm going to group them together. So you can place them wherever you want. If you decide that your tiles are not the way you want them to appear, mouse over the tile and right click, and you can edit the tile by opening the tile, editing, copying or moving, deleting the tile if you no longer need it, sharing the tile, posting it to Twitter or to Facebook. So if I open the tile, it goes straight to the website. Right clicking, if I want to edit the tile, I can go back in, change the website, I can change the title of the tile, I can change the color, I can decide whether I want to show text or not, anything else I need to do, and then save your changes. If I decide I want to copy or move the tile, you can choose whether to move it or to copy it, and that way you can have it in more than one web mix. If I decide to delete it, for example, if I decide I'm not using Study Island anymore, I can click delete and that tile is no longer there. I can also share the tile with others on Facebook or Twitter, or there's my unique link to that particular tile that I can share in an email. You have different options for your the tiles that you or the web mixes that you create. Click on options. You can rename the web mix. You can change it from classroom websites to links. Save. And you see that my tab has a new name. You can change your wallpaper. So for example, if I don't like the background, I can change the background from a number of different templates that are already available, or I can upload an image and then click and it changes the background of my image. In this case, it's the Carpenter Elementary logo. I can also change the webmix icon. I can add stars. I can make it clovers or crowns or a paw or a circle or a check mark or a heart or a play button or a star. I can change the webmix size. I can also make my webmix see-through or not. So if I turn that off, turn it back on, you can make it see-through or not. And you can add a new marker if you want to. You can also share your webmix with others so they can see the links. What it does is it shows the webmix name. You can give it a description. You have related words. You do have a discoverability score if you want, and you can make it public or private. And if you share the webmix, you can share this link through email, or you can have an embed code. So what I can do, copy this embed code, and once I've copied my embed code, I can embed it on my website. So I'm in my Weebly site here. I'm going to click Embed Code, drag it onto the screen, and I'm going to paste in that embed code, and it embeds the Symbaloo tab that I created for my links. So want to click Publish. And I go to the website. It's been updated. I'm going to click on My Links. There is the Symbaloo tab that I've created specifically for my website. So basically that is how Symbaloo works. It's very simple, very easy to use, very easy to figure out. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Hope it was useful for you. And stay tuned next time for another tech tidbit. Au revoir.